there have been a lot of misunderstanding of lately in your connection and you don't seem to understand where your connection is headed towards? There's a lot of negativity, a lot of people getting involved, a lot of competition, and a lot of challenges and inner conflicts, and you're feeling all confused and messed up. Then this particular reading is going to resonate with you. Hi guys, my name is Neha Tankha, also known as Luna the Moon Tarot. I'm your tarot card reader, a spellcaster, numerologist, a crystal believer, and a switchword expert. Before I proceed, do not forget to connect to my energies by liking this particular video. Drop I claim in the comment section, and if you're a cross watcher, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I come up with such reading, you are being notified. Let's see. Close your eyes, center yourself, take 3 deep breaths, and take your person's name. Do not forget to like this particular video for this reading and to get your answers. The lovers, there is a lot of love, lot of attraction, lot of pull that you guys feel in between each other. The love is so pure. It's a soulmate connection that you are dealing with. It's a twin flame connection that you are dealing with. Maybe dealing with a Gemini, very strong Gemini energy. I see somebody who always stays confused, somebody who is always in two minds. One moment there's something, the other moment there's someone else. All of a sudden you feel that you are dealing with two different personalities. Can also be dealing with Cancerian, because we have the Chariot here, two very strong signs and two major arcanas. The twin flame energy along with coming forward towards you, making the choice, making a decision, but at the same point of time something tells me either they seems to be very upset or angry about something, or you are upset or angry about something, but this person really needs to take a decision or a choice. They really need to make a choice in this particular connection. I do see with the Judgment card. Oh my god, all the major arcanas are coming. So I do see with the Judgment card, the divine itself is playing a role in this particular situation, and this person really want to give this particular connection a second chance. The only thing is they are worried, what if you are upset and angry from them because they ended the connection, which by default, they understand, they know that them ending the connection has caused you a lot of mental harassment, a lot of agony, pain, heartbreak, and you felt betrayed, and they also understand that you are feeling like that. But right now they are thinking that probably right now they have to give space so that you can heal, balance the situation. They are being patient before they make an appearance in your life again. The reason why they ended this connection we'll definitely see further down in the reading, but I do see that something they realize that they cannot stay away from you. That's why they want to make peace and amends with you. They want to sail in the calmer waters again, and they are just waiting for the right time, right opportunity when they can. I do see it can be a long distance relationship, or someone is traveling off shores, off waters. And with the King of Wands, I do see that somewhere down the line, this person wants to make an appearance. They are very highly attracted towards you. The kind of attraction they feel, or the kind of attraction they feel towards you, they do not feel it from anyone else, and they want to justify this connection. The karma has served. Okay, when they left this particular connection, they never thought that they are going to get hit so hard with the kind of things that they are going through right now. They feel as if they shouldn't have done it. They are repenting by ending this particular connection. This is not going to resonate with every one of you, but but what few of you, I do see that probably one person is already married and the other person is not, or both of you are, and somebody's thinking about getting the marriage towards an end. Can be a separation situation going on, or a court case going on with their spouses or something, because of which, or maybe they are planning to do so, because of which they had to part ways or something like that. Probably somebody is married or some separation situation, and that's why there was a stagnancy in this particular connection. They were not able to give you the correct answer, the right answer, what you were looking for in this particular situation. The Ten of Wands tells me that somewhere down the line they felt overwhelmed, and they felt pressurized, they felt too many responsibilities are on their shoulders, and that is when they kind of stepped back and ended this particular situation with you. With the Ace of Pentacles, I do see that they are now coming forward with a lot of stability offer. They want to be with you, they want to be in this particular situation, they are going to propose marriage to you in upcoming 1 month. You are going to get the clarity, and this person is going to reach out to you, and they are going to propose you for marriage, right? So I do see, can you beat that, guys? I mean, such powerful cards I see, such powerful cards I see. I see the Lovers, I see the Ace of Pentacles, and I see the Four of Wands, which is such a beautiful cards, right? With such a beautiful cards. So I do see that they are going to offer you this love, this marriage, and they are going to offer you such beautiful connection right now, that you will not be able to refuse. And somewhere down the line with the High Priestess, I see that you already knew that this person is the one for you, and they will come back and they will propose you this particular marriage, and this particular offer sooner or later is going to come. You were just waiting for the right time, you were just waiting this negativity to end, and you were just waiting for whatever things that you have gone through to to get over. You have had a lot of sleepless nights, you were not able to sleep as well, because there were so many futuristic thought process and thinking which was going on, which kept you up till late at night, and you were not able to sleep properly, eat properly. For a few of you, I do see that none of you or your partner, and there were a lot of worries, futuristic thought process. And I do see that there can be a chance that one of you may be going through a depression as well. Having said that, with the Nine of Cups, I do see that the kind of emotional connection that you guys have, that is very very strong, so that cannot be easily erased, that cannot be easily forgotten. So that is not just possible at all. For few, I'm hearing again and again, somebody is married. Even though somebody is not married or married, I do see a very strong marriage offer coming up. Probably they are at the last stage of their separation, divorce, or filing in the papers as well. I do see that they have decided and they are coming forward with the marriage offer. They are going to balance out the situation with you. They are going to invest equally in this particular connection. And with the Eight of Pentacles, yet again, I do see that there's a lot of work that this person is going to put in. Initially, earlier, they were fighting, there was a runner chaser dynamics, they were running, you were chasing, but now you have gone into a shell, you are not chasing them anymore. You have gone into a shell, you're waiting for this person to come forward towards you to offer this particular catch up or a meeting, because you are sick and tired of getting stuck in this or being stuck in this particular connection, I see, right? And the communication is coming, by the way, guys. Communication is coming strong, communication is coming hard. And I do see with the Page of Swords and with the Four of Pentacles, even if this person did not disclose it to you long back, they are now going to disclose all of it, whatever their feelings were, they felt with being with you. And with the Page of Swords, I do see they are stalking you, they are observing you, they are keeping a check on you, they are keeping eyes on you, and things are going to become better. With the Hangman, yet again, I do see that somewhere down the line, whatever confusion was there in this particular connection, that is now going to get resolved, and you are going to feel very successful, because the new beginning is right around the corner. Some realization is going to hit them hard, and whatever was stuck and up in the air, not making sense, everything will start moving in the positive direction. They do recognize that you are the one for them, that transformation is definitely happening within themselves. And intuitively, you also realize and you also understand that yes, there is a transformation. They do understand that nobody else cared for them the way you have. And even though they ghosted you, now is the time when they feel that you are somebody they can have a future with, they are thinking about spending their life with, even though they were juggling to make a decision or a choice, and out of the ego they didn't realize the value of you. But now they are coming in, they are coming in fast. It's a fast paced movement that I see to repair the damage that they have caused in you, in by breaking your heart. I feel that even when they will come back, towards you and they are going to offer you this love. I do see because of the past disappointment, you are not going to accept it ASAP. You're going to take your own sweet time. They have taken a lot of time to come, and so will you. Okay, it is not going to be immediate, but I do see you getting involved in self love, and that is making you feel so good about yourself. And that is also one of the reason why they are feeling very pulled and attracted towards you. They do care for you. They will not show it or express that much, but they know that you are somebody who gives them a lot of stability, security, and they do nurture this particular relationship. They want to have a life with you, they want to have a family with you, they want to have kids with you, and that is what they are planning to do. So guys, this is such a beautiful reading, guys. So in case if this resonates with you or even a bit of it, and if you're looking for more insights, you can go ahead and book a session with me. And you can WhatsApp me, Instagram me, or email me. Simply go ahead and do the simply go ahead whatever you want to go ahead and do. But if you want to have a tailored made session with me, you can reach out to me. I do personalized session as well. And in case if you're wondering what you can do to make the entire reading come true for you, then go for 21 days love combo. That's one that I always recommend, because 75 to 85% of my clients have benefited out of it. I have so many testimonials already highlight in my highlights on Instagram. I do not keep on putting it every day because obviously it doesn't make sense. Something which has already had so many good and proven results doesn't make sense to upload it every now and then. So anyway guys, I'm gonna take you leave and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.